뚱. 올랐어. The recording lab song. 야호둑. 오케이. 야, 다 당보 디인다. 야, 뉴르말라인다, 뉴르말라. 응. 다 대파 하고송아. Before we start, I would like to say, first we will
Depa
do 대파.
is part.
응? 대파 past tense. 하고송아.
Do you miss the? Yeah.
That's 대파. 대파, we have pa인. 가상에, pizza 세파인. 가상의 족부, pizza 세파레. 오, 가상 공기 베개 정성. If you witness. So in the past, we know these three. 하고승아. Then for negative, we have payin, pamin, pare, pamare, song, masong. Like this. 하고승아. And all these, payin, pare, song, you have to attach with the verb. 하고승아. kalak sapayin, kalak sapamin, leka chepa re, leka chepa mare. Like this. Keep in mind. 하고승아. If you have this in mind, you don't need to translate from English. 하고승아. Verb plus this. 하고승아. That's it. Okay. Now, looking at this reference, we will start our exercise. Okay? 뉴르말라인다, 당보. 뉴르말라.
Reading.
가상 계란기 가리 세파임. 가상 계란기 가리 세파임.
가상의 피자 세바인.
That's it. 가상의 피자 세파임. That's it. Here. 가상 가파르 친파임.
가상의 dokmo ki kangpa jinpain.
Oh, you missed the la
Eh?
after direction, right?
Dokmo ki kangpa la jinpain.
That's it. Let's make this habit. Very good. 가상의 족무 강팔라 진파인. 가상의 스타벅스라 진파인. Like this. Very good. 배하고 랍송 뉴르말라. 뉴르말라. 가상 계란기 가르체 파인.
가상의 drawing 제파인.
가르체 파인.
리모 제파.
응.
트리파인.
remote tripa인. That's it. You can say. 양결인다. 가상 계란기 가르체 파인.
가상의 리모 트리파인.
That's it. That's it. Well, 가상 계란기 곤팔라 진파인페.
가상의 곤볼라 진파인.
곤파르바 곤포마.
곤발라 진파인.
That's it. 가상의 곤파. monastery or temple. 하고승아 가상의 곤팔라 진파인. Like this. Very good. 가상 파율라 차르파 밥송웨.
Raining.
charpa phap labna raining re. Ta khasang Bangkok la charpa phap songwe.
가상 뱅콕 라 샤바 팝송.
That's it. If it didn't rain, then
팝마송.
that's it. Khasang Bangkok la charpa phap masung. Here I wrote Payul la. Usually you say motherland. We say fatherland. Hagosunga. It's different tradition. That's why I said Payul la. Hagosunga pa labna. Apa, father, ruba. Hagosunga. Just like that.
하고송아.
That's it. 뉴르말라기 빼야고 랍송. 투지치.
투치시라길라.
올랐어.
When it
Oh, sorry to interrupt. What is the last question asking? It's asking something about your home country
Yes, yes. Home country la. At home country.
at home country.
Charpa Papsongwe. Did it rain in the past
Okay.
question? Akosunga. Okay?
Okay.
That's it. Oh, I I hear I can also put Kerangi Payula, your fatherland la. I don't need to also say yours. I can direct say fatherland la. Payula. Akosunga. For example, here I didn't said Kasang Kerangi Kapar Chin Payin. I didn't said that. I just said Kasang Kapar Chin Payin. Because I'm talking to you, it's obviously I'm talking about you. Agosuma. So I mix
Okay.
the questions like this. So you can see it and just familiarize it. Agosuma. That's it.
Hmm.
At the same time, listen to how I read. You can practice it also.
Okay, yeah.
Like this. And you can look at the reference here and answer from yourself in your mind. Akosunga, just like this. Fair. Very good. Now let's try. Yeah.
Tenzin,
Lasso.
the last question, it ends with this P
Mm-hmm.
after the son.
Yes, yes. Yes, way and pay. Chikpare. Akosunga. So mostly for song, you use way instead of pay. That's it. No problem. Meaning same. Akosunga. Is that
Okay,
clear? Lasso.
wait, yeah.
Last. That's it. Pasape or wasawe, songwe, repe, yinpe. Mostly we use pay, right? Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. Very good. Okay, now let's
Um,
see. Yes.
Tenzingla, sorry. Could you just read through that last sentence?
Hmm. Kasang, kasang, payula, charpa, pop songwe. Like this.
Thank you.
Kasang,
Babsong.
payula, charpa, pop songwe. If rained, kasang, payula, charpa, pop song. Kasang Payula Charpa Pap Masong if didn't rain. Like this.
Okay.
Oh.
Raso, thank you. So chapar, bab, is all is means rain. All of those three.
Re.
Yeah.
Charpa Papla
Really.
rain re. That's
That's Tudichu.
Tujiche. Ya, dine yen hong la tashi dele yen hong la inda. Yen hong la ki diloro nang. Rwa. Dine wangmo la ki len jabro nang. Wangmo la ki answer chero nang. Ya, diloro nang yen hong la.
카상 케랑기 카레 사바인 세바인
Pepe.
사상에 가상의 숨나 별개 정바인.
말해. 가래 세바인데.
어, 가상의 먹먹 세바인.
That's it. 가상의 뭐뭐 세바인. 빼요.
카상 카발 침바인
That's it.
가상의
Uh-huh. 가파르침바인.
가상의 근바라 침바인.
That's it. 가상의 건빨라 친바인. That's it. 빼요.
카상 케랑기 카레 제바인
가상의 데모 동제 가상의 데모 동바인.
동 말해 따. 그래 따. 하고 순간 very
가상의 데모 따바인.
That's it. Now you know. 데모 따바인. 따. 하고 순간. That's it. 가상의 데모 따바인. Very good.
가상 계란기 꽌발라 침바인베.
That's it.
가상의 꽌발라 침바 마인바.
Chimpa.
가상의 꽌발라 침바민.
That's it. 가상에 꽌발라 친파민. 가상에 Starbucks 라 친파인. Anything. 하고숭아. Very good. 빼하고. 빼하고 숭숭. 연홍라 당 왕모라 투지치. 라소.
의지지에
빼하고 로송. 되네야. 마르셀로라. 케랑키 딜로아. 되네 니말라키 렌자키. 니말라키 answer 체로나. 마르셀로라키 딜로로나.
Kasan keranki karesepayin.
That's it.
가상 예 독보 sorry. 가상 예 조콕 나송장
Uh-huh.
강양 세파민
That's it. 칼락 세파민.
갈락 세파민
빼하고 랍소. 투지치. 가상 니말라키 칼락 세파 마레. I said pa mare because I didn't witness it. I just know it from his. 하고숭아 제당 가상 니말라키 칼락 세파 마레. Like this. 하고숭아 빼하고. Yeah.
Kasan kaparshinpayin.
That's it.
가상 나 멘캉라 친파인
nga mare nge rwa. Yangyar
but
sumro.
it's verb concerning motion.
What do you mean?
I mean, I'm not the doing of drawing. I'm just draw.
Yes,
Nothing point.
that's you are the action doer. That's why. 하고숭아. Okay?
Okay.
음.
가상에 멘캉라 친파인.
That's it. 가상에 hospital 라 멘캉라 신파인. That's it. 하고숭아. 멘캉 if you wanna know. 하고숭아. 사마타마 나 멘캉아 캉. 가상에 멘캉라 신파인. 빼하고숭아. That's
What is men in this case from hospital? Men.
medicine
Ah.
house
Yeah.
or doctor's house or healing house, anything. Menkang, menpa, menchu, all these start from men.
Mendrup.
Mendrup also, anything. Like this.
Men
Can I?
menshap.
Menshap.
Mental. Can I make sure that I understand the questions? Because I think maybe I don't understand the questions.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay. So the first one is what did you eat
That's
yesterday?
That's it. Really?
Okay. Second one is where did you go yesterday? Okay. Then third one is something like what did you do yesterday?
That's it. 다가랑래. Really?
Okay. That's what the che is. Chepayin is what did
Really?
you doing yesterday?
Really?
Okay. And then the last two are about other people. Or
디양 디래. 가상 계란기 권빨라 친파 임베. Like this.
what's a gumpa
Gonpa, monastery or temple. Gonpala,
Oh.
Shinpa Yimpe. Like this.
So it's did someone else, did he go to the monastery?
He mare kerang reba, you.
You, okay.
Hmm.
Did you go to the monastery?
Kasang keranki, Gonpala, Shinpa Yimpe. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Here,
Okay.
Kasang Payula, Charpa Papsong ways. Like this.
This is did the rain yesterday in your country?
That's it.
Okay.
Remember.
Okay.
아고숭아 빼하고
Thank
빼.
you.
Okay. That's it. Where were we? We were here, right? Yeah, Lorona, Marcelola.
Kasan keranki karechepayin.
빼요.
Kasan ne ngelso yapayım.
That's it. 가상에 넬소 갸파인. 가상에 rest 제파인. 가상에 넬소 갸파인. 빼하고 숨소. 야, 딜로로나.
Kasan keranki genpa la chinpayin pe.
That's
Kasan ne gonpala chinpamin.
That's it. 가상에 건빨라 친파민. That's it.
Kasan payula charpapap sonwe.
That's it. 가상 파율라 charpa 밥송웨. That's it.
Kasan sogyurla çarpa bapmasong.
That's it. 가상 소규라 or 몽골라 charpa 밥마송. Like this. 빼하고 송송. 투지치. 오,
Neyse.
마라당 마르셀로라 투지치. That's it. 올랐어.
Ridici.
Deneya, en Claire inda. You wanna try reading question? En Claire di try chirona. Dene Sonia ki len jabrona.
알았어. 가상 계란기 가레치 가레츠 가레츠 바인
That's it. 가상 keranki kare se pain.
가레츠 바인
That's it.
Kasang ne sauerkraut sepayin.
That's it. 빼하고 숨소. Yeah. Dene dilorona.
okay. 가상 kapar chinpa ye yin
Chinpayin.
가파르친 파인.
chinpa yin
Kasang ne botanical garden la chinpayin.
That's it. 가상에 garden la chimpayin. That's it. 빼요. Very good.
가상 계란기 가레치 바인
That's it. 가상 계란기 가르체 파인.
Kasang ne pöke jongpayin.
That's it. 가상이 벽에 종파인. That's it.
okay. 가상 계란기 곰팔라 chimpa yinpe
That's it. 가상 계란기 건팔라 친파인페.
chimpa yinpe
Kasang ne gunpala chinpamin.
That's it. 가상이 건팔라 친파민. 빼요. 얘네 딜로로나.
okay. Kasang payula charpa pap songwe
That's it. 가상 파율라 charpa 밥송웨.
Kasang Germany la shapa papsong.
That's it. 가상 다람살라 라 charpa 밥송. charpa 망보 밥송. 아고스나 강이 세나 아따 다람살라 라 rainy season 레. monsoon season 레. 제장 charpa 빼 망보 밥송. 밥송. Like this. 빼하고. Very good. En Claire 당 Sonia la 투지치. 라수. Very good. 빼하고 숨송. 데네야. 에폴리나 당 NS 라인다. NS 라 딜로로나. 데네 에폴리나 라기 렌자로나.
Genline NS is my second device. I'm testing it. It's Nikolai. NS is my second device.
라사 니콜레 라인다. 니콜레라. 니콜레. 니콜레라 키랑키 딜로로나 데네 에볼리나라 기렌자 기레 다소
Kasam keramgi kare sepain.
that's it
가상이 샤모 세파인.
that's it 가상이 샤몽 세파인 mushroom 샤몽 세파인 빼야고 숭숭 다소
Kasam kapar chinpain.
가상이 드롭물 낭라 친파인.
that's it 가상이 족무 낭라 or 캉발라 친파인 빼야고 숭숭
Kasam keramgi kare jepain.
that's it
가상이 데블롭 당 이메일 땅파인.
가상이 데블록 당라베 말에 가상이 데블록 바인 아니 이메일 땅 바인 like this 그것은 양캐
아니,
상담
오케이. 가상이 데블롭파인 아니 이메일 땅파인.
that's it 빼요
Email? Sorry, Tenzingla.
이메일 letter writing 봐
Email. What's
이메일
the verb?
땅 셰땅
Tan.
이메일 땅 카바르 땅똥 직발해 그것은 빼요
Okay.
Asu, tene Nicolella Diloronan.
Oh, it's previous question. The next one is previous.
Ale, lasu, really.
Yeah. Kasam kerangi gonpala chinpain pe.
Peo.
가상이 곰팔라 친파민.
Kasangi Gonpala Chinpamin. That's it.
Kasan palyula charpa pap song ne.
가상 파율라 차르파 밥 송.
That's it. Kasang Payula
밥 송.
Karpa Pap Song. Like this. Kosuna. Like this.
우체체.
Tujichi Nicole Tang.
Tenzingla,
Yes.
how are you?
Yes.
In this sentence, Apollina tried to use two verbs in Y case.
Yes.
She tried to say email tongue and deplock.
Really.
And you reject the case connecting these two with done.
Yes.
Can you explain it?
Yes. So because these are two different verb, so you cannot say yesterday I car drive and I don't know in English. I don't know how to explain because there is two different verb. One is email tang, one is tablock. So that's why we have to end the sentence first. When you end the sentence, you cannot use tang. You can use tang in between the sentence, not the starting of the sentence. That's why 가상에 develop 바인 아니 email 땅 바인 like this. If the verb is same, 가상에 pizza 당 목목 세 바인 like this. If the verb is same, then you can say like this. 가상에 모터 당 박박 땅 바인. I drive car and bike yesterday. 가상에 모터탕 박박 땅바인. 가상에 회익 탭탕 인지 탭 록바인. Like this. Because her actions are two different verbs, that's why you have to end it, then start the sentence with the ani. Like this. Okay? 에폴리나라 하고송해. 올라스.
가구성 있나?
라수. 송탕. 야날라 송탕.
양,
디기래. also. 봐.
아직 양,
양기 튀투기 말해. 가상의 데블록바인 아니 이메일 양 땅바인. You just make it more. Hmm? Right? Or you can say, if you want to make it little shorter, 가상의 데블록 아니 email 땅바인. You can say this. You can keep a gap like a comma. When you say 가상의 데블록, then you end the sentence with the she like this. And then you can say email 땅바인 like this. 하고서 like this. Okay? Is that clear? That's. But right now, please focus on these things. 하고서 you can try new things. If we make mistake, I will try to correct it. 하고서 like this. Very good. 빼고. 빼고 Now that we know almost how to speak in past tense using yesterday. 하고서 then we have also 1 year before, 1 day before. We will learn about that later. 하고서 okay? That's it. Now let's keep it there. Now we have 다다와. 다다와 하고서 present tense. We have 기유. 다당에 다당에 추퉁기유. Like this. 다당에 발라키 이모타키 유래. Like this. 봐봐. 다다 소녀라키 베개 종기도. Like this. If it's not my general knowledge. Like this. 하고서 다다 소녀라키 베개 종기도. Like this. Okay? Then we have negative here. 다당에 pizza sakime. 다당에 추퉁기유. Like this. 다당에 발라키 녜키유 말해. 다당에 발라키 때못다기유래. Like this. 소냐키 pizza 사키민두. 소냐키 벽에 종기도. Like this. 하고서 okay? Now let's try, okay? You can try it either mute in your mind. 하고서 you can practice it. Please do this. 하고서 다 되네야. 야나라기 디왈로로나 자나라기. 자나라기 디왈로로나 아니 되네. 야 조라기 렌잡기인 answer. 하고서 조라기 answer인다.
저라 탄다키랑기 가르치기.
That's it. 다다 가르치기유.
Okay. Tata kerang tata nye I
Yes.
can't remember how to say how to pronounce it. Bu
벽에
정 buki chongkiyu.
That's it. Let's say this one more time. 다다 계란기 가르치기유. That's it.
Tata ne buki chongkiyu.
That's it. 다당에 벽에 종기유. That's it.
저라 탄다키랑기 가라 사기 유배 사이 유배.
That's it. 다다 계란기 칼락사기 유배. Like this.
Tata ne kalaksa sakime.
That's it. 양결인다. 양결. 다다 계란기 칼락사기 유배.
Tata ne kalaksa kime.
That's it. 다당에 칼락사기메. That's it.
저라 탄다키랑기 적배 가르치기 유아래.
That's it. 다다 계란기 족부 가르치기유래.
Tata ne chokpo 얇기 요리
That's it. 타당의 족보 ཉelki 요리. 양결식 송탕.
타다 타다 sorry, I'll try again. I'll start over. 타다 조금 얇기 요리.
That's it. 타당의 족보 ཉelki 요리. That's it.
이렇게.
왜요? 음,
댄싱기 가르치기도.
That's it.
텐센키 레카 요 체키둑.
Or you can look
네,
at
단다 시로난 댄싱 가르치기도.
텐센키 레카
말해. 단다 콩추 동기도.
oh 텐센 this 텐센
댄싱.
텐센 추
uh-huh.
추통
Uh-huh.
기독.
That's it. Tenzin ki chutungidu with the particle, action duo particle.
텐센키 종키 준 okay 텐센키
Uh-huh.
차통기둑.
That's it. Cha tungidu, chu tungidu, beer tungidu, wine tungidu, chang tungidu, anything you can say. Akosma?
짱통기도 야부민도.
Chang tungidu, yeah. Lasso. Akosma? Lasso. Tade, tenzin ki karichekidu. It means just the moment, in the moment, karichekidu.
Yeah.
Tenzin
I I didn't realize that we were watching that you were Tenzin, Gana.
Yeah, this do is like right now. This do is right now. 탄다가 동기도.
Oh
탄다가
yeah, no, I
동기도.
know that. I just
Right
thought I
now,
was picking up a fake Tenzin in my mind.
Akosma? Okay.
댄싱 망부도. 망부도.
Tenzin mambo yuri, pe mambo yuri. Very very. Lasso, peyago.
진짜요.
Kulhason. Tene Jola Dixon, Wamula Dixon, Buster iPhone la suina, Buster iPhone la Trashi the Lake. Hello. Ale. Buster iPhone la yosa mare came into Lasso. Yeah, Sonia la inda. Sonia la Tata Keranki Karicheki you. Mute reduk.
Tata nge peke donkey you.
That's it. Tata nge beke jonki you. Tata Keranki Kalasaki you pay.
Tata nge Nepalese kalak sakiyo.
That's it. Tata nge Nepali ki Kalasaki you. Like this. Akosuna.
A Nepali ki, you would say.
Very.
Nepalese, yeah. Yeah.
Tata Keranki Chokpo Karicheki Yure.
Tata nge trope cham joki yure.
That's it. Tata nge Chokpo Cham Droki Yure. Pe Akosungsong. Tata Tenzin Karicheki Duk. Tata Tenzin Karicheki Duk.
Dancing ki peke songi duk.
Peke Lopki Duk. You can. Akosunga. Instead
And
of.
when you just speak.
No, peke Gyapki Duk. Gyap or she. You can say she. We know Kecha she, right? She. Peke Sheki Duk. Tata Tenzin ki Peke Sheki Duk. Tata Tenzin ki Peke Gyapki Duk. anything. You can say both of this. 하고서 다다 댄징기 벽에 쉐기도 다다 댄징기 벽에 겹기도 like this. Or you can say 다다 댄징기 깨차 쉐기도 깨차 쉐 speak 로바 talk 로바 계란 대보 임베 트라시델레 다다 계란 가파르유 가상 계란키 가르세 바인 아니 다다 계란키 가르치기 유 We all know these things now. Akozuna? Very good. Fair. Hola, so. Fair, son. Teneya. Su practice ko do sula. Buster iPhone la inda. Buster iPhone la. Trashi delek. Buster la. Tata keranki kari cheki yu.
Oh, I can't. Okay.
Tata keranki kari cheki yu.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
You can hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, wait, say again. Tata
keranki
Kerang.
kari cheki yu.
Tata keranki ka ra I'm a beginner.
No problem.
It's a bit hard.
Master La. I'm gonna start soon. I think you are in the group already, right? So we will start from beginner from 14th. So I will see you at that time again.
Oh, you're breaking up.
No problem. Lasso. Master La, if you don't have this new group, then you can text me in WhatsApp. I will send you the new group link.
Oh, my internet's not doing very well.
That's it. Hola.
Hello?
Internet yapo minduk. Lasso. Tadi dikidu lasso. Tene ya. En Claire Tata keranki kari cheki yu.
Sorry, I didn't. Karichiki, yeah.
Tata keranki kari cheki yu.
Tada nye perke jonki ye.
That's it. Tata nye perke jonki. Tata keranki kalak saki yu be.
Tada nye galaksa me galaksa.
Kime. Instead of kime. Like this.
Kime.
How do you know? The negative is kime.
Kime.
That's it.
Kime.
Very good. 다당의 칼락사키메스. 다다 계란키 족부 가르치기 요리.
Tada nye trokpe Palestine demonstration chiye.
That's it.
Chiyere.
Chikiyore. That's it.
Chiyere.
다당의 족부 Palestine ki ngogul chikiyore. Like this. You don't need to know. Just heard it is enough. ngogul chikiyore. 하고서
하고서.
라인다. 댄진기 가르치기도.
Tenzin-ki Perkijong I've forgotten teach. Lobtruk?
Lop.
Lok.
Just lop.
Lok. Okay.
Lop.
Perke Loki year.
Kiye mare. If you notice now, then
Loki duk.
Yankar sunta. Tenzin ki 가르치기도. Listen to the look at the question. Tenzin ki 가르치기도.
Tenzin ki beke lokiduk.
That's it. Tenzin ki, pöke lopki duk, pöke gyapki duk, pöke sheki duk. Anything you wanna say. Hakozunga. Very good try and clever. Tujiche. That's it. Hmm? I think rest of us already know these things. Hakozunga. So without wasting time, I will go to future tense. Hakozunga. Hmm? Now we know present tense and past tense a little bit. Hakozunga. Let's go to future tense. We have maongpa, the one that didn't come yet, didn't exist yet. Hakozunga. Okay? Maongpa, we have Kiyim, Kire, Sare here. Okay? Now for negative, I will write here Kimim, Kimare. Okay? Then Samare. That's it. Keep in mind, all of these always attached with the verb. Kalak saki mim, kalak saki yim. Hakozunga, okay? Like this. Kalak saki re, kalak saki mare, charpa phapsa re, charpa phapsa mare. Like this. But this is in future tense. Hakozunga, okay? Whether it's future tense or present tense or past, all of these are attached with the verb. You don't need to think English. Just think the rule. Verb plus this. Akosuna, that's it. If you translate, you will definitely make mistake because it's upside down. Akosuna. Tibetan is upside down. English starts differently. Akosuna. So if you translate, you will definitely make mistake. It's better to know the structure like this. Akosuna. Very good. Perna sangin nge Starbucks la drukiyin. Sangin tomorrow re. Hakosunga. Sangin tomorrow. Okay? Sangin nge Starbucks la drukiyin. Sangin nge Gunpa la drukiyin. Sangin nge Dharamsala la drukiyin. Sangin nge New York la drukiyin. Anything. Sangin nge Menkang la drukiyin. Sangin nge Pezue Kang, we learned that. Library. Pezue Kang la drukiyin. Like this. Okay? Tene ki re. Sangi Sonya ki Kalak Saki re. Like this. I don't need to see this, but I'm sure she will eat. That's why I'm saying Sangi Sonya ki Kalak Saki re. Like this. Akosuna. Like this. So sare, as I said before, we mostly use it for weather. So keep it with the weather. Akosuna. Like charpa pap. Now you can, instead of charpa, you can say kang, snow. You know kang. Akosuna. Kang pap. Charpa pap. Like this. If it's gonna maybe rain tomorrow, sangin dharamsala la charpa bhapsa re. Or sangin dharamsala la charpa bhapsa mare. Like this. Or you can say sangi ri gangla on top of mountain. Sangi ri gangla charpa bhapsa re. Or sangi ri gangla gang bhapsa re. Anything. Like this sentence you can make. Hakosunga? Okay? Let's practice and look and imitate. Imitating is best learning. Hakosunga? Okay? Let's try. Yen Hongla in that. Yen Hongla. Sangin keranki karisagiin.
성인의 샤메 투바 사이인.
사이인 or 사기인. Very good. 상인 계란기 샤유 툭바 사기인배.
성인의 샤유에 툭바 사이메.
사기민 그봐 사이민 그봐.
아, 사기민.
아고송아 빼요. 상인 계란기 족부 갸카르라 조기레배.
성인의 족불 갸칼라 조이 마레.
That's it. 상인 계란기 족부 오피스라 조기레배.
성인의 족불 오피스라 조이레.
That's it. 오피스라 조기레 갸카르라 인디아라 조기마레. Like this. 아고송아 상인 계란기 가르치기인.
성인의 볼로제이인.
That's it. 상인의 볼로 제기인. 상인의 볼 제기인. I will play ball, football, basketball, anything. 아고송아 상인의 볼로 제기인. Like this. 빼요. 상인 계란기 권빨라 조기인배. 상인 계란기 권빨라 조기인배.
성인의 금발라 조이민.
상인의 권빨라 조이민 or 조기민. Like this. 빼요. 상인 계란기 파율라 or 상인 타이완라 차르파 밥사레베.
성인 타이완라 차바 밥살. 차바 밥송. 밥살.
좀 된다.
성인 타이완라 차바 밥살에.
That's it. 상인 타이완라 차르파 밥사레 or 상인 타이완라 차르파 밥사 마레. Like this. 아고송아. 빼야고 송송. 그렇지. Just like that, we can imitate us. 아고송아. Like this. 빼야고 송송. 되네야. 뉴르말라인다. 뉴르말라 상이 계란기 가리사기인.
쌍링의 누들 세기레
말
사키레
사키레 or 사키인. 아고송아. 양캐린다. 데 티왈라 티왈라. 상인 계란기
쌍링
가리
계란기
사기인.
아래 사키인
That's it.
쌍링의 누들 사기인
That's it. Noodle dire tukpa.
뚜빠
No? Agosuma tukpa. So if there is a soup in the noodle, you don't say sa, you say tung in Tibetan culture. Agosuma. No. If there is no soup,
쌍링
then you say sa. Agosuma.
쌍링의 뚜빠 퉁기인
That's it. 상잉에 tukpa tungin. Like this. Agosuma tukpa pe shimbu yore. That's. 야고도 상이 계란기 족부 야카르라 조기레베.
쌍링의 족보 게가라 조기민
or 조기.
조기 말이
That's it. 조기레베 조기 마레. Like. 아고숭에.
하고 송라
상이 계란기 가르치기인. 상인 계란기 가르치기인. 상이 계란기 가르치기인.
쌍링의 꼰발라 조기인
That's it. 상잉의 권빨라 조기인. Like this. Very good. 상이 산이 기랑기 건빨라 저기 임페.
Về sang đi nghe con pa là trokin.
That's it. 산이 건빨라 저기. 산이 기랑기 파율라 차르파 밥사레페.
Sang đi nghe kịp Bangkok là Shaba Pap Sa Re Be Hakomasong.
사레 하고 송한테
Sari.
사레
Ah,
if it will rain in the future. If it will not rain, then samare. But you are saying it unsurely. 하고 송아
yes.
산이 차르파 밥사레. It means maybe. 하고 송아 산이 차르파 밥세 마레. Maybe not. Like this. In the sense of weather. 하고 송아 don't use
Shaba Pap Sa Re Pap Sa Mari Hakomasong. Be?
하코마송. That's it. 하고 송아 산이 네 파율라 or 산이 뱅콕라 차르파 밥사레 밥사 마레 하코마송. That's it. That's also answer. Very good. 빼하고 송송 뉴말라 투지체. Very good.
Kuchikira.
라소. 빼하고 송송. 되네야. 되네. 야, 니말라기 티왈로로낭. 아니, 자나라기 렌잡로낭.
Janala, Sanin Kirangi Karesagi.
Sani, Sani Karesagi is it? Sani watermelon Sagi.
That's it. 산이네 watermelon 사기. 하고송아 빼하고 송송.
Sanin Kirangi Chöpü Yakarla Joy Repe.
Sani 예 적부 gagala 저기 말해.
That's it. 산이네 족부 야가르라 저기 마레스. 빼요.
Sanin Kirangi Karejeki.
That's
Sani 예 적부 냠도 가라사기.
That's it. 산이
Karejeki.
족부냠투 칼락사기인. Very good. 빼하고 송송. 족부냠투 with friend. 산이네 족부냠투 칼락사기. 빼하고 송송. 되네 딜로.
Sanin Kirangi sorry. Sanin Kirangi Gonpala Doi Inpe.
Sani 예 곰팔라 저기메.
That's it. 산이네 건빨라 저기 means.
Sanin Kirangi Payulla Charpa Babsarepe.
Sani 예 파유라 차바 밥기 밥스유 밥스메 하코마소. 밥사베 밥사마레 하코마소.
That's it. 빼하고. 산이네 파율라 차르파 밥사레 밥사 마레 하코마송. That's it. 빼하고 송송. 투지치 하고 송아. So as we read, rest of us can imitate answer in our own way. 하고 송아. Practice like this. I encourage you to imitate. Mimicry. Try to make sound like me. 선이 저랑게 가르쳐기.
Tinzinla, may I have a question?
Yes, please.
A question about Sare. can I use in the same situation paduk? For example, terin çarpa tan paduk. Is it
okay, but
acceptable?
Tigidu, acceptable. Hmm? The Lhasa dialect, how goes one?
Sagi, yeah, we never say sayi, we say sagi. Chi sayi, the get a shena, the gire.
But you use sa, right, Janula? You use sa.
Yeah, but you say the writing, you can say you write sayi, that's correct. But speaking, lasa gena, couldn't, never, you never. Oh, it's sagide, sagido.
It's true.
Like that.
Oh yeah, that's.
Lasa ge, get to share the chipamare.
Very, how goes on? That's because of the written language didn't evolve and spoken language evolved so much, so it created a huge gap between these two. That's why even Tibetan people, my friends, they can speak, but they cannot read well. They do not understand. They don't know spelling. It's real situation, but it is what it is. Agosma, that's it.
Sorry, I'm sorry, Janala, I don't get. If you don't sure that will be rain tomorrow, how you will say? What's your case? What's your?
Sani chaba papsamare hakomaso.
You say both sare or pao. You get Sani chava tangbo Sani chava tangbo mindu. You say this also. Nimala was asking this. Do we use pa? We use both.
Can we use paduk? Sanin charpa paduk.
Papkidu, papkimadu,
Papaduk.
Papkidu,
When you use pap, you use sa. When you use tang, you use pa. So that's that's it.
Okay.
Right now we will learn pub. Okay? That's it. Sanyi chava tang badu. That's when you say tang, you say pa. Like this. Okay. That's it. We did very well. So here I have some verbs. Yar lang, wake up. Yar lang, wake up. Gom gyab. Gom gyab. You know this. Lützelze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lützelze. Lützelze. Exercise.
What is this? Gomgyap? What's gomgyap?
Gomgyab. Anzu gomgyab girwa. Meditation chikirwa. Gomgyab.
Gomgyap.
Gom drupa jabs.
Yalang?
Yar lang. Wake up. Ruba. Gomgyab. Lützel tse. Exercise tse. Tene sukpu tu. Wash body. Ruba. So tu. So ti. Hakosanga so. Dongpa tu. Dongpa hakosanga. That's it. Dongpa. Then shokcha so. Breakfast. Shokcha ruba. So. Make. Ruba. Shokcha so. Tene shokcha tung. Then what do you do? Tene leka che. Ruba. Like everyday routine, what we do. Use these verbs in 3 different ways.
How to say swim in water?
Chukel gap. Ruba.
Dongbuchu kare.
Tenzila,
Oh.
I'm sorry, I have to leave.
That's it.
And I won't be able to attend the next 3 times because I will be in Gombe, Denmark with Tokinima Rinpoche.
I understand.
But I will try to catch up from the Google Drive.
Yes, no problem. It will be mostly revision. So
Yes.
you can also watch the videos when you have time.
Thank you. So we'll see you Friday in 2 weeks.
님말라 추켈 왜 추켈
Tukelgyak.
swim raba 추켈
Tukelgyak.
가상에 추켈 바인 다당에 추켈 유 상인에 추켈 인 like this 가상에 곰 바인 다당에 곰 유 상인에 곰 인 just like this practice 하고 take one verb, use it in 3 different tense. Practice like this, just like how I did. 가상에 류젤제 바인, 다당에 류젤제기유, 상인에 류젤제기인. Like this. 하고숭아. So I will stop here today. 하고숭아. This much. I will send the note
Tenzingla.
group chat. Lasso, yes, please.
Tenzingla. Could you repeat the meanings of these new verbs?
Oh, yes, please. Yarlang, wake up, re. Gomgyab, meditation, re. Meditate.
Okay.
Lutseltse, exercise, reba. Supotu, wash body, re. Sotu, brush teeth, reba. Dongbatu, wash face, re. Hagosunga. Shokcha so, make breakfast, re. Shokcha tung, drink morning tea, breakfast tea. Lekache hakosunga. Chukel gyak swim hakosunga. That's it. Now take this and practice with 3 different tense. Hakosunga. Just like this. And that's it for today. Tujiche, Trashid Dalek, thank you very much for coming.
Tudiche.
부재체 겐라.
Great lesson. Thank you.
Lasso, Paya Huduk, Tujiche.